Okay, what time is it?
11:46.
And
We are hiking to the summit. What? Yeah.
of Mount Pulag. Tingnan naman dito sa konti, Jay. There's Jay.
Hello.
There's me. Hello, what's up? There's XY. Uy, puta.
Yo.
And Ian. Okay. Okay. Hiking to Mount Pulag. Thank you to my brothers, Jay and Ian, for fixing my technical pack and making sure I don't have many salasalabets. Instead, everything is tucked. Okay. So, grabe. Oh. Correct. Grabe yung experience namin kanina. Galing sa DENR. Papunta dito. After the orientation. Mga 2 oras na. Para kaming pin-pressure cooker. Sobrang
7.5 kilometers.
pagkakaalog-alog namin sa jeep. What does the sign say?
Says Mount Pulag 7.5 kilometers.
Uy, pwede mag-pole dyan.
And, yeah. Magpo-pole daw sa XY.
Go.
XY, pole ka muna para ma-picture kita. Go, XY.
Gusto ko
Go.
rin i-figure out to.
Dali, dali.
Uy, nakaghintay siya. Nakakaya naman.
Kaya bilisan mo, Tay.
May bag talaga, te.
May bag
Baba mo yung bag mo. Okay. Let's see, XY.
Nakalaki. Tignan natin kung may bag.
Wag. Ma-injure ka. Ma-injure ka pa. Hoy.
Hindi, sabit lang.
Sige.
Game, sabit.
Sabit.
Ready, set.
Sabit lang.
Sabit lang.
lang.
Go, sabit.
Tapos may 2 paa mo.
Bigat, pare.
Video kita, ah. Ready, set, go. Ang bigat, di ba?
Nakasabit.
Okay. Baba na, te. Halika na rito.
May pantalon, mahirap.
I'm so happy you're not injured. Okay, let's go. Ilang kilometro? 7.5? To Mount Pulag? Shit, chicken.
Hindi ko rin na-video yun. Balikan ko nga.
Say hello to everyone.
Sige, sunod ako.
Okay. Gusto ko naman kumanta ng The Beauty of the Philippines.
Tumipak niyo,
Oo.
pinaka malinis tingnan. Walang sabit-sabit.
Oo, ayaw maging malinis ng pack ni Jay. Right? Let's
Hindi.
check out Jay's pack.
Madumi lang. Madumi lang pero pinaka
Pero neat. Jay! Ang neat daw ng pack mo eh.
straight lang oh. Walang sabit-sabit.
Professional. Okay, 7.5. Here we go. From here in Mount Pulag, this is Diane and the rest of my team. We'll check back in with you later. Bye-bye.